NTC department from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Let us see the third replacement technique, that is least recently used page replacement algorithm. So the FIFO algorithm uses the time when a page was brought into memory. OPT algorithm that uses the time when a page is to be used. So in LRU, or least recently used page replacement algorithm, that replace the page that has not been used for the longest period of time. So LRU replacement associates with each page the time of that page's last use. So FIFO, in that first in first out technique is there. Optimal page replacement, in that we always check forward, and in LRU we always check backward. So in that LRU replacement, that associates with each page the time of that page's last use. So when a page must be replaced, LRU chooses that page that has not been used for the longest period of time. So the prediction behind LRU, the least recently used algorithm, is that the page that has not been used in the longest time is the one that will not be used again in the near future. So the distinction between FIFO and LRU is that the former looks at the oldest load time and the latter looks at the oldest used time. So some view LRU as analogous to OPT, except looking backward in the time instead of forward. So example of least recently used algorithm, same string we are using, whatever used in FIFO as well as optimal page replacement technique. Reference string is given 70120304230321201701. 3-frame technique is there. So using 3-frame, you put 1 by 1 value or 1 by 1 data or pages into that frame. 7 put first, then 0, then 1, then 2. For that we check so 2 is there, replace the 7th one. After that 0 is there, and then 1. Whenever you put it 0, that time 0 is already present in that buffer. So 2, 0, 1. So 2 hit the page. So 3, put it 1, replace 1, 2, 0, 3 is there. Then for 0, 0 is already present here. So 0 is hit the page. Whenever you go for 4, so 3, 0. So replace 2, 4, 0, 3 is there. After that put 2, that time we again check backward direction. 4 and 0 is already present in the buffer, so replace third one. So 4, 0, 2 is there. Whenever we put 3, 3, for that again go backward direction, check it. 4 and 2 is present here, so replace 0. So 0 frame, so replace 0 by 3. Then for putting 0 value into that frame, so again check backward. 2 and 3 is already present, so replace fourth one. So 0, 3, 2 is there. Then whenever you put 2, 2 is already present in the buffer, so hit the page. 1, 1, for that you replace 0 value, so put it 1 in place of 0. So 1, 3, 2 is there. 2 is already present in the buffer, so 2 is hit the page. For 0, so that again check backward. 1, 2 is already there, so replace 3 and put it instead of 3. So 1, 0, 2 is there. 1, 1 is already present, so 1 hit the page. 7, 7, for that 0, 1 is already present, so replace 2. In place of that we put 7. 0 is already present, so 0 is hit the page, and 1 is also present, so 1 is also hit the page. So LRU for our sample string that yielding 12 page fault as compared to 15 for FIFO and 9 for OPT, optimal page replacement. So least recently used LRU algorithm, reference string one more example is shown here, 1 2 3 4 1 2 5 1 2 3 4 5 using 4 frame. So we put one by one 1 2 3 4 into that 4 frame. After that putting 2 is also present. So put that 2, then put that 3, then put that fourth one. Whenever you go for 1 in that, 1 is already present, so 1 hit the page, 2 already present, so 2 hit the page. Whenever you put the 5 for that you check backward direction. So 1 2 is already there, so replace fourth one, and instead of 4 you put 5. So backward, in that case 3 is there, so replace third one, and in that put fifth one. Like that, you always, whenever LRU technique is there, you always check backward direction. So counter, that is counter implementation is there. Every page enter has a counter. Every time page is referenced, through this entry, copy the clock into counter. When a page needs to be changed, look at the counters to determine which are to change. So LRU is considered a good replacement policy and is often used. The problem is how exactly to implement it. There are two simple approach commonly used. One is a counter and stack. Counter in that every memory access increments a counter, and the current value of this counter is stored in the page table entry for that page. So then finding the LRU page involves simple searching the table for the page with the smallest counter value. Stack, that is the second approach. Another approach is to use a stack, and whenever a page is accessed, pull that page from the middle of the stack and place it on the top. The LRU page will always be at the bottom of the stack because this requires removing objects from the middle of the stack. A doubly linked list is the recommended data structure. So both implementation of LRU that requires hardware support either for incrementing the counter or for managing the stack, as this operation must be performed for every memory access. So neither LRU or optimal that exhibits Belladis anomaly. So both belongs to a class of page replacement algorithm called stack algorithm, which can never exhibits Belladis anomaly. So a stack algorithm is one in which the pages kept in memory for a frame set of size n will always be a subset of the pages kept for a frame size of n plus 1. So in the case of LRU, and particularly the stack implementation thereof, the top n pages of the stack will be the same for all frames set size of n or anything larger. So that's all. Thank you.